to come up here and find some people that are interested in my idea as well.
I don't have any business background, so I'm learning from others and getting a lot of inspiration from other international students.
Here with my teammate, we have a huge focus on like women, girls, low and medium income countries.
It made me realize that I don't have to be afraid to pitch. I wanted to get to know the startup ecosystem, and I'm also interested in sustainability, develop a business idea and get to know people.
Very nice, very friendly environment, very good people, very nice service, beautiful food. It's been great.
Solve some of the social issues through this program. That's why I joined Lund Innovation Challenge.
We at Sony are really happy to be able to support entrepreneurs in their early stage of their startups. This weekend has been a great opportunity to see all the initiatives that's ongoing in the universities right now.